This is a short tutorial about how to submit an injury report in Maximo. You should have a condition report icon on your desktop. Double-clicking on this icon will open the condition report application in Maximo. So here the Create Condition Report application is opened, and now I just need to fill out the information and submit the report. First I'll do a summary, and then fill out the details. And next I need to select a location where the injury occurred. So I will click the Select Value icon next to the Condition Report location and select a location from the list. If my location is not in the list, then I have the option of selecting Other. And then I'll need to fill out a description for the location. And since this is an injury, I'll need to click here if an injury occurred. And you can see there's some more fields that I need to fill out. So I will scroll down and I need to select a priority and a hazard type. If I don't see a relevant hazard type in the pick list, then I can select Other, and then I can enter a hazard type description. I also have other fields I can fill out to add more information to this report. And I will need to add a body part, so I will click the Add Body Part button, and it's added a new row to the Injured Body Parts grid. And now I will click the Select Value icon and select my body part. And I do have the ability to add more body parts by adding more rows to this grid by clicking the Add Body Part button. And once I've filled out all of the information, I can click the Submit button. After you've submitted your condition report, Maximo asks you what you'd like to do next. I can view the details of this condition report. I can return to the Start Center, which is like the Maximo home page, or I could create another condition report. For now, I'll select Return to Start Center. Depending on your role and job function here at Grant PUD, you'll probably have a little bit different Start Center. In this example, I have two tabs, Condition Reporting and Self-Service, and the Condition Reporting tab is highlighted. On the left I see Favorite Applications, so I could navigate to Create Condition Report and submit another report, or I can view my condition reports using the View Condition Report link. On the right hand side is My Condition Reports and my team's condition reports. Well, I'm not a supervisor, so I won't see anything under my team's condition reports, but I can see the condition reports I've submitted at the top. Now, a condition report can be an injury report, or it could be a process improvement suggestion, or it could be a vehicle incident, or it could be a close call that needed to be reported. All of those types of information can be seen under My Condition Reports. Next, I'd like to show you how to open up and view condition reports, and then I'll show you how to add an attachment. I'll go ahead and open up my injury report, and now I'm viewing the record, the injury report, and I'm going to scroll down to the attachment section. I'd like to attach a picture or an image to this condition report, so I will now click the Attach File button, and I get a dialog box, and I'm going to pick Select File, and then I will navigate out to the location where my image is saved. I will select the image and then click Open. It's not required, but I can give it a name and a description, and then click OK. And now I've added an attachment to this Maximo record. I can also update the condition report by adding a log entry. To do that, I click Update Condition Report under the Log section, and a dialog box will open where I can give it a summary and the details, and then this log entry will be saved with the condition report. And click OK to close the dialog box. And now I've added a log entry to this condition report. And when I'm finished, I'll just click the Maximo Home icon to take me back to the Start Center. The last thing I'd like to show you for this tutorial is how to search for your condition reports. One way is I can view it right here from my Start Center results set under My Condition Reports. If I had a lot of reports, then I might want to use the View Condition Report application because it provides a search feature. So this is the View Condition Reports application, and the top half of the screen are all search fields or filter fields. So I could enter a date range or part of the summary to help me search for the condition report that I'm looking for. Once I've entered criteria in the filter fields, I click the Find button to narrow down my list of results, and now I can see that I've found the condition report that I was searching for. And I can click on the underlined link to open the report. And that's how to search for and view condition reports in Maximo.